So for those of you wondering about the F450 project, we picked this up in the middle of our Cummins swap for a future swap. This came with blown head gaskets, which we just spent 3 days doing. This is going to be getting a DT466, hopefully within the next year, so stay tuned for that. We did head gaskets, we did injector seals, and just change all the fluids, kind of get it ready to go so we can get another year out of it before we do the DT466 swap. Next will be the Cummins swap on the F450, and yeah. Anything else?
Nope. Have your pet spayed or neutered.
There we go. Great. That's
I lean on it.
yeah, that's exactly what I was afraid of. This is what we had to go through just to.
Look at that. This guy was just sitting down there bouncing around on the belt. The AC belt wasn't even hooked into it. Okay, so this pulley was bouncing around. You can see. Let's see if it'll focus. It marred up there and a little bit down there. I don't see any other damage. So we might just run it like that until we do the swap, and then it won't even matter. All right, quick update on where we're at. We got obviously all the front end components gone. Fuel lines are off, but still on. Fuel filter we just got off.
Fuel filter, oil filter, and then the turbos is the next big task.
All right, we're getting closer. We got all the turbo bolts out. We only broke one. So now we're trying to figure out how to pry them out of there.
Ready? I don't know where you want to go. Over here.
All right, turbos are off. So now, let's see, next part we'll probably be getting, this is the air intake. Air intake, and then probably some of these wiring harnesses will get out of our way. And then we'll probably start getting into these rocker covers. So, it's not bad. What do you think, Tim?
One step closer.
I think Tim's been really happy. He's been really proud of the Ford engineers this whole time. I think he said a few comments of like, well done, Ford. Good job.
Ready to be tar and feathered.
So, yep, that's where we're at. We're going to eat some lunch and then get back to it.
It won't survive very long doing it. Agreed. And we need it. So we're not sure if this has anything to do with our blown head gaskets, but these bolts are not tight.
Which ones aren't?
These little 11 mil 12 point.
Oh, yeah.
Let's put it on here, one that I haven't broke loose yet. Look at this. Oh, that one's tighter, but that's not tight.
No, not
Even
at
for
all.
those smaller bolts. We'll see here. Let's put one on that.
Do you know what the torque spec for those are?
Yes. Tight.
Tight.
Oh, these are tight.
Well, it could have been because it was cylinder one leaking. We think.
Yeah, cylinder one's on the other side. There we go. Any more?
Nope, I'm good. This dipstick thing. All right, pulled head number 1 off. Or depending on what you think head number 1 is, maybe head number 2.
It looks good. I just don't know what's laying in that cylinder. Something we dropped.
Oh yeah, right
Grab
there.
it. Is it just a nut or a piece of plastic?
I think.
Hey, Dad?
Hold on 1 second, buddy.
Okay.
We clearly dropped it in there. It wasn't in there.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Or is it carbon?
Piece of plastic.
Oh, it's a head plug. So we got both heads off. Now it's time to clean all of the gasket surfaces, both the block and on the heads. Scrape them down, make sure everything is clean, and get ready for reassembly.
How exciting.
Yeah.
So we started at what this morning?
8:39.
And it's 3:05 right now, so
Terrible.
it's not too bad.
And really, with the cab on, it really wasn't that bad.
No, so far it has not been.
I was, by the way
Bad at
everybody
all.
was talking, I thought it was going to be way worse.
Yeah, me too.
Not fun, but not terrible.
Yeah, agreed. So cool.
Excellent crosshatch in the cylinder.
I was gonna say, if you got a light, you might be able to see it. Oh, right there. Look at that
Yeah,
one.
look at that.
I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it looks good.
That does not have 380,000 miles on it.
No, the truck does, but this does not.